Wondering where I am? Right. Well, I am in the space. And do you know what that is? Yeah, that is our galaxy. And it's called Milky Way. Do you see that? That bright light is our solar system. That's where we live. Come, let's take a closer look at our solar system. This is the Sun, the center of our solar system. And around the Sun, we have an eighth planet: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Now, let's take a look of each planet.
Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune.
Hello, everybody. How are you today? Well, that's great to know. I'm here to introduce you our topic for today. I am your teacher Kirby, and our topic for today is all about comparing the planets in the solar system. But before that, let me read our learning objectives. By the end of the lesson, learners will be able to identify the 8 planets in the solar system, compare the planets based on the size, distance from the sun and surface, classify our planets as terrestrial and gas planets, understanding unique features of each planet. What is solar system? The solar system is the gravitational bound system of the sun and all celestial bodies that orbit it, including 8 planets, moons, asteroids, comets, and dwarf planets. It formed about 4.6 billion years ago from a collapsing molecular cloud. The solar system is located in the Milky Way galaxy and is the only known planetary system that supports life. Now, let's talk about the 8 planets that orbit the Sun. First, Mercury, the smallest planet closest to the Sun. Second is Venus, hottest planet, thick atmosphere. Third is Earth, the only planet known to support life. Fourth is Mars, known as the Red Planet. Fifth is Jupiter, the largest planet and famous for the Great Red Spot. Sixth is the Saturn, known for its spectacular ring system. Seventh is the Uranus, ice giant with a unique tilt on its axis. Lastly, it's the Neptune, cold and windy, the furthest known planet from the Sun. The solar system also contains Pluto, the dwarf planet; Moon, the natural satellite of planet; comets, ice and dust with tails; asteroids, rocky object mostly in the asteroid belt. And now, let's talk about the terrestrial and gas giant planets. In the terrestrial planets, included the Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. The surface of the terrestrial planet is solid and rocky. The size of it is smaller. The moons are few or none. Now, in the gas giant planets, included the Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. The surface of gas giant planet is made of gas. The size of it is larger. The moons are many. Let's move on and talk about the size rank distance from the sun. Moons, fun fact, from the smallest to largest size and distance from the sun. First is Mercury. The first planet has 4,880 kilometers with 3,032 miles in diameter, about one-third the size of Earth, has no moons and has no atmosphere. Next is Mars. The fourth planet has 6,792 kilometers, 4,221 miles in diameter, about half the size of Earth, has two moons, and called the Red Planet. Venus, the second planet, has 12,104 kilometers with 7,521 miles in diameter, similar to Earth's size, has zero moons, and the hottest planet. Earth, the third planet, has 12,756 kilometers with 7,926 miles in diameter, has one moon, and only planet with life. Neptune, the eighth planet, has 49,528 kilometers and 37,775 miles in diameter, about 4 times larger than Earth, has 14 moons, and coldest planet. Uranus, the seventh planet, has 51,118 kilometers and 31,763 miles in diameter, about 4 times larger than Earth, has 27 moons, and rotates on its sides. Saturn, the sixth planet, has 120,536 kilometers with 74,898 miles in diameter, about 9 times larger than Earth, has 84 to 146 moons, and famous for its rings. Jupiter, the fifth and the largest planet, has 142,984 kilometers with 88,846 miles in diameter, the largest planet, about 11 times larger than Earth, has 95 to 97 moons, and has a great red spot.
Okay, class, in your group activity, planets of the solar system. So identify the planets and write their names in the box. Then answer the question that follow in your answer sheet. So understood? Okay, very good.
Hi kids, I'm Teacher Angel and now I will introduce to all of you the 8 unique planets in our solar system. Here are the 8 planets in our solar system. We have Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. So kids, we have 2 categories in our solar system. The inner solar system or terrestrial planets, and the second one is the outer solar system or gas and ice giants. In the inner planets, we have Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. In the outer planets, we have here the planet Jupiter, planet Saturn, planet Uranus, and planet Neptune. For the close-up look, this is Mercury. And this is the planet Venus. And this one is the planet where we live, the planet Earth. And this is the close-up look of the planet Mars, or what they call the red planet. And this is the planet Jupiter. And this one is the planet Saturn. And this is the Uranus. And the last one is the planet Neptune. Key differences between planets. In size, some are small like Mercury and the other are huge like Jupiter. The temperature. Temperature gets colder the farthest You are from the Sun. Moons. Jupiter and Saturn have the most moon appearance. Some planets have ring like Saturn. Some of the planets are red like Mars, blue like Neptune, or cloudy like Venus. Some have storms or weather system.
Okay, now for your assessment. So your assessment is read each item carefully and answer the following question by writing the letters of the correct answer. Okay, now, so the number one is which planet in the solar system has the characteristic that support life? A. Earth, B. Jupiter, C. Mercury, and D. Neptune. So by the number two is which of the following statement describe the inner planets? So A. They are small and made of ice and gases. Letter B. They are large and made up mostly of gas. Letter C. They are large and made of gases and metal. The letter D is they are solid and made up of the rocks and metal. Okay, now let's proceed to the number 3. Which planet is the fastest from the Sun? A. Venus, B. Uranus, C. Mercury, D. Neptune. So by number 4 is what is the smallest planet in the solar system? So letter A, Earth, letter B, Jupiter, letter C, Mercury, and the letter D is Neptune. So number 5, the last one is which of the following is the largest planet? So letter A, Mars, letter B, Jupiter, and the letter C is Uranus, and the letter D is Neptune. Okay, class, for your assignment, so your assignment is title. So write your favorite planet. So instruction, choose a planet and make a mini poster, 1/2 bond paper. So include name of the planet, type of the rocky gas, size and distance from the sun. At the list 2 fun facts. So the last one is be creative and colorful. So understood? Okay, very good. So thank you.
Hello kids! I hope you've learned a lot of our discussion for today. Nice to meet you all. See you next time. Bye!